Consumer Cellular uses QR codes to activate eSIMs, digital SIM cards. If your QR code isn't working, here's why. First, app issues. An outdated or buggy Consumer Cellular app can cause problems. Update to version 4.2 or newer and clear the app cache. The app includes AI-driven diagnostics to help avoid such issues. Second, device incompatibility. Older phones from before 2018 might not support eSIM. Consumer Cellular requires Android 10 or higher or iOS 12.1 or higher. Always check your device specs. Third, poor scan quality. A blurry camera or low lighting can prevent the QR code from scanning properly. Make sure to scan in clear, well-lit conditions. Fourth, network problems. An unstable Wi-Fi or cellular connection during the download can cause failures. Always use a strong, stable network. Fifth, expired code. QR codes are often only valid for 24 to 48 hours. If yours has expired, simply request a new one from Consumer Cellular. Understanding these common problems is the first step to fixing the issue. Remember, over 70% of new Consumer Cellular activations now use eSIM, so this is a common process. Let's go through the troubleshooting steps and expert tips to fix your Consumer Cellular QR code for eSIM activation. First, update the Consumer Cellular app and restart your phone. This resolves many temporary glitches. Second, check compatibility. Ensure your device meets the minimum Android or iOS requirements for eSIM. Third, perform a network reset. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This can fix connectivity issues. Fourth, if the QR code still fails, contact Consumer Cellular support for a new code or manual profile push. Fifth, use the Consumer Cellular app's real-time chat support for step-by-step guidance. Expert tip: enable data roaming temporarily during activation, even if you don't usually use it. Per Consumer Cellular data, 85% of eSIM setups succeed on the first try when these steps are followed. Education and app maintenance are key.